Have you ever wondered how lions earned the title of King of the Jungle? Well, let's delve into the heart of the African savanna to unravel this regal riddle. Lions, known scientifically as Panthera leo, are creatures of remarkable strength and grandeur, commanding respect and fear in equal measure. Their majestic presence begins with their impressive physical characteristics. A fully grown male lion can reach lengths of up to 10 feet from nose to tail tip and weigh as much as 420 pounds. This makes them one of the largest cats, second only to the tiger. But it's not just their size that sets them apart. Their strength is legendary. With just a single swipe of their powerful paw, they can knock a grown man off his feet. Their muscular bodies are built for the harsh realities of life in the wild, capable of taking down prey much larger than themselves. But perhaps the most defining feature of a male lion, and the one that contributes most to their kingly status, is the mane. This impressive display of thick, shaggy hair, which only male lions possess, serves a dual purpose. First, it acts as a shield, protecting the lion's neck during fights with rival males. Second, it's a sign of virility and health, attracting potential mates and intimidating rivals. The darker and fuller the mane, the more attractive the lion is to a potential mate. Their roar, too, is a vital part of their majestic persona. A lion's roar can be heard up to 5 miles away, a vocal assertion of territorial dominance that leaves no doubt as to who is the king here. In essence, the lion's regal image comes from a combination of their size, strength, and the distinctive mane, all of which contribute to their commanding presence. Their undeniable power and the respect they command from other creatures is a testament to their royal status in the animal kingdom. So, it's clear that the lion's majestic presence plays a big part in their royal reputation. Now that we know why lions are considered kings, where do these regal creatures reside? Let's embark on a journey to the lion's natural habitat, the vast and splendid savannas of Africa. These are not just grasslands, they are a vibrant ecosystem, a stage set for the drama of life to unfold, and the lion is a central character in this grand play. The savanna is a mix of grassland and forest, offering just the right balance for our lion kings. The tall grasses provide ample cover for lions to stalk their prey, while the scattered trees offer a respite from the scorching sun. The savanna's flat, open landscapes are perfect for these large predators, with their preference for hunting in the open, where their prey has fewer places to hide. It's a land of extremes, with a harsh, dry season that can last for more than half the year, followed by a wet season full of life. Lions are well adapted to this rhythm of scarcity and abundance. During the dry months, they endure, conserving energy and making the most of the opportunities that come their way. When the rains come, the savanna blooms into life, and so does the activity of the lions, taking advantage of the plenty. The savanna is not just a backdrop to the lion's life, it shapes their behavior and lifestyle. It's here that lions have developed their social structure, forming prides that offer protection and collective hunting advantages. It's here that they've honed their strategies, learning to use the environment to their advantage, stalking their prey in the tall grass, and using the cover of darkness for their hunts. And let's not forget about the other inhabitants of the savanna. The diversity of wildlife here is staggering, from the vast herds of wildebeest and zebra that form the bulk of the lion's diet, to the smaller creatures that share the lion's home. Each plays a part in the intricate web of life that is the savanna. The savanna, with its vast landscapes and diverse wildlife, provides the perfect kingdom for our lion kings. It's a world that's shaped them, and in turn, they've helped shape it. Their impact reverberates throughout this ecosystem, a testament to the intricate balance of nature. What does the diet of the King of the Jungle look like? Well, let's dive into the dining habits of this majestic beast. Lions are carnivores, which means they eat meat. But not just any meat. They feast on the largest of the savanna's herbivores. We're talking zebras, gazelles, buffaloes, and even giraffes. Now, these aren't easy meals to obtain. Hunting requires strategy, strength, and a fair bit of patience. Typically, it's the lionesses who do the bulk of the hunting. They work together, using stealth and complex techniques to stalk and bring down their prey. It's a coordinated dance of sorts, a testament to their intelligence and adaptability. Once the prey is down, the male lions usually get the first dibs. It's not exactly polite dinner etiquette, but in the wild, might often makes right. After the males have had their fill, the lionesses and cubs get to eat. A single meal can feed a pride for several days, but lions aren't picky eaters. If a smaller meal crosses their path, they'll happily take the opportunity. Lions can consume up to 40 pounds of meat in a single meal. That's like a human eating around 70 burgers at once. And yet, they can also go days without food, surviving on their stored fat until the next big meal comes along. But it's not all about meat. Surprisingly, lions also consume smaller amounts of grass and vegetables. It's believed this helps with their digestion and provides them with necessary fibers. So, the lion's diet is a fascinating mix of power and patience, of brute strength and careful strategy. It's a lifestyle that enables them to rule over the vast expanses of the African savanna, maintaining their place at the top of the food chain. Clearly, the lion's dining habits are as mighty as their reputation. Did you know that lions are one of the most social cats? Unlike many other feline species that are solitary by nature, lions prefer to live and move in groups known as prides. These prides form the backbone of a lion's life and play a pivotal role in their survival strategy. Now let's delve into the social structure of a lion pride. A typical pride usually consists of a handful of adult males, a dozen or so females, and their offspring. Each member of the pride has a specific role to play, and it's this division of labor and responsibility that keeps the pride functioning and thriving. The males, often brothers or pridemates since cubhood, are the protectors. Their primary role is to guard the pride territory against intruders and rival males. They're also responsible for fathering the cubs. However, their reign at the top is often short-lived, lasting usually for about 2 to 4 years, before a stronger younger male challenges and displaces them. The females, on the other hand, are the hunters and caregivers. They work together in harmony to bring down large prey, often taking on roles based on their individual strengths and skills. Post the hunt, they ensure that the cubs are fed first, demonstrating a strong sense of community and care. They also rear the cubs, teaching them the necessary skills to survive in the wild. Speaking of cubs, they are the future of the pride. From the moment they are born, they are thrust into a rigorous training regime by the lionesses. While play and rest form a large part of their day, they are also taught how to hunt and defend themselves, preparing them for the day when they will have to contribute to the pride. In essence, the pride functions like one large family, with each member playing their part to ensure the survival and success of the group. This social structure is unique among big cats and is a testament to the lion's adaptability and social intelligence. The lion's social structure is a key aspect of their survival and dominance. What does the life cycle of a lion look like? Well, it's a fascinating journey that unfolds in the wild plains of Africa and the confines of zoos worldwide. A lion's life begins as a tiny blind cub born after a gestation period of roughly 3.5 months. They may seem vulnerable, but these cubs are born into the heart of a pride, a family that will protect and nurture them. The cubs spend their first few weeks in a den, hidden from potential threats. As they grow, they begin to venture out, exploring their surroundings under the watchful eyes of the pride. Their playful antics are not just for fun, but are a critical part of learning the skills they'll need to survive as adults. They learn to stalk, pounce, and wrestle, all essential elements of the hunt. By about 2 years of age, male lions are pushed out of the pride to fend for themselves. They become nomads, wandering until they can take over a pride of their own. It's a harsh life, but it's a vital part of the circle of life. This is the time when they grow their majestic manes, a sign of maturity and strength. Female lions, on the other hand, remain with their birth pride, nurturing the next generation of cubs and defending their territory. They are the core of the pride, and their bonds are strong. In the wild, a lion's lifespan is typically around 15 years, though in captivity, they can live up to 25 years. Each stage of their life, from the playful cub to the mature adult, is a testament to the resilience and strength of these magnificent creatures. The circle of life is a constant cycle of growth, survival, and regeneration. It's a journey that's both harsh and beautiful, filled with challenges and triumphs. And in the heart of the African savanna, the lion lives out this circle in all its raw and untamed glory. From cubs to kings and queens, the lion's life is truly a circle of life. Even kings face threats. What are the challenges lions face in the wild? In the vast savannas of Africa, lions, the majestic kings of the jungle, face numerous threats that endanger their very existence. The first and perhaps most significant challenge is habitat loss. As human populations grow and agricultural lands expand, the natural habitats of lions dwindle. This encroachment not only reduces space for the lions to roam, but it also leads to conflicts between humans and lions, often ending fatally for the lions. Another major threat to these regal beasts is hunting. For centuries, lions have been hunted for sport, their impressive manes and powerful stature making them a coveted trophy. However, this practice has contributed significantly to the rapid decline in lion populations. Additionally, lion body parts are used in traditional medicines in some cultures, further exacerbating the hunting problem. Disease, too, plays a part in the challenges lions face. Canine distemper and feline immunodeficiency virus are just two of the diseases known to affect lion prides, sometimes wiping out entire prides in a matter of weeks. Despite these threats, all hope is not lost for these magnificent creatures. Conservation efforts are in full swing to protect and preserve the lion species. Reserves and national parks have been established, providing a safe haven for lions away from human encroachment and hunting. Laws have been enacted to curb illegal hunting and trade in lion body parts. Conservation organizations are also working tirelessly to educate local communities about the importance of lions in the ecosystem, encouraging coexistence rather than conflict. Through these efforts, we hope to see a reversal in the decline of lion populations in the wild. Efforts are also being made to vaccinate lions against the diseases that have been decimating their numbers. This is a complex task, given the wild nature of these animals, but it is a necessary one if we are to ensure their survival. Despite their royal status, lions need our help to ensure their survival. Lions have left a significant mark on human culture and symbolism, haven't they? For centuries, these majestic creatures have been revered and respected, their images etched into the annals of human history. In ancient Egypt, the lion was a symbol of power and ferocity, while in Greece, it was associated with the gods, symbolizing strength and courage. Fast forward to the Middle Ages, lions were emblazoned on shields and banners, standing as a symbol of nobility and bravery. They've been immortalized in literature too, painted as characters of nobility, courage, and sometimes villainy. Remember the Chronicles of Narnia, or the Wizard of Oz? In the modern era, lions continue to roar on our screens, their stories told and retold in countless films and documentaries. They're the face of countless brands, their strength and majesty a marketing tool that continues to captivate the masses. From real life to the real life, lions continue to captivate us with their majesty and might. Now we've journeyed through the life of a lion, understanding why they truly deserve the title King of the Jungle. In this grand journey, we've explored the awe-inspiring physical attributes of lions, their powerful builds, and the mesmerizing manes of the males, a true testament to their regality. We've seen how these physical characteristics, coupled with their incredible strength and agility, make them formidable apex predators in their habitat. Speaking of habitat, we delved into the lion's den, the savannas of Africa and the Gir forest in India, where these majestic creatures reign supreme. We've seen how they've adapted to these environments, making the most of what nature has to offer. In our exploration of the lion's diet, we've seen how these carnivores are not just hunters but also opportunistic scavengers. Their diet, largely consisting of ungulates, is a reflection of their position at the top of the food chain. In understanding the lion's pride and social structure, we've witnessed the unique social behavior of these big cats. Unlike other solitary felines, lions live and hunt in prides, a testament to their cooperative nature and strategic hunting tactics. We've also delved into the circle of life, the lion's life cycle from cubs to adults, and the pivotal roles they play in their prides. From playful cubs to skilled hunters and protectors, each stage of a lion's life is a testament to its resilience and adaptability. In discussing threats and conservation, we've highlighted the challenges lions face in the wild, from habitat loss to poaching. But we've also celebrated the tireless efforts of conservationists worldwide who work relentlessly to ensure the survival of these magnificent creatures. And finally, we've discussed the lion's legacy, their cultural significance, and how they've been revered in various societies, symbolizing strength, courage, and leadership. Remember, every king needs his kingdom. Let's do our part in preserving the lion's natural habitat and ensuring the survival of these magnificent creatures.